Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. In this video, what we are simply going to do is to talk about Bulk Create, the magical feature in Canva that helps you create multiple designs in seconds. Everything about it is going to be explained in this video. So if you're a fan about Canva, you want to be learning more about Canva, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's dive straight into it. Bulk Create is a feature in Canva that helps you create multiple designs in seconds, and it works with some sheets, we already know Google Sheets, Excel, CSV files, and even Canva Sheets. So it picks the data from there and replaces them in what we call placeholders in Canva. Okay, and with these placeholders, we get to set them by ourselves. So let's take a look at an example, and we'll see how it works. All right, so for example, I want us to, first of all, open a Canva sheet. This is a sample design I picked from one of the templates in Canva. And we want to create about 10 captions, using the same design, but we don't want to be doing it manually. What we can simply do is we can come in here to our homepage and just click on Sheets, okay? So we can click on the sheet and a blank sheet will be created for us. What we are going to do here is I'll just stretch this a little bit so that I have more room to explore. Okay, and I'll just say caption and I will name this column as maybe name. Okay, let's say we wanted to change the name of every caption. Maybe if it's Proverbs or whatever it is, we are just going to change the names. Okay, so in the sheet over here, what we are just going to do is instead of writing everything all at once, I'm going to be using the Canva Magic Write. Okay, so I'll select all of this, come to actions, and I'll come to Magic Write. Okay, so we have Magic Write over here, and I'll say write 10. Let me just use African proverbs. Okay, African proverbs. So I'm just simply going to say write 10 African proverbs. Okay, and I'll just submit it for Canva to do all of that for us. So you can see how it is. So insert. Then, in fact, let me just double click on here so that we have everything here. Now the name. What we are going to do is to tell Canva that based on this, if it knows the name of the person who came up with this proverb, it should just list it for us. Okay. So we'll just come here and we'll go back to Magic Write and we'll say name the person who created the proverbs on or in column in column A. So we'll just do that, and it says African proverb, so we'll just write African proverb over here. So we have some level of data, okay, and this is what we are going to be using for our bulk create. So let's come back over here, and this is what we want to do. So initially what would have happened is that for every design we'll have to make a duplicate and change the text, change stuff, make a duplicate, and it's a lot of it. It's actually so stressful. So Canva bringing this bulk create feature out just saves us a lot of time. So what we are going to do now is, first of all, click on apps, okay, and just search for bulk. Once you type bulk, it should appear over here. So select bulk create, and you can see you can connect your Google Sheets, you can connect HubSpot, Google Analytics, any sort of data you want to connect, you can just connect. But I'm going to be using Canva Sheets. So I just click on Canva Sheets, and the most recent one we just created, I believe it's this one. So I'll just click on it to see if I'm correct. Okay, so it looks like I'm not correct. Okay, so this is it. This is the one we have just created. So I'll click on done. Okay, and we can see what we have at the moment. Both columns have been listed for us. So this means if we had multiple columns in our sheets, it would have been listed here. But since we have just two, only two have been listed. Okay. So all we need to do is, first of all, right click on this and choose connect data. Okay. And this data is going to be the caption because we want all the captions to be here. So we choose caption for this. All right. And we'll do the same for this. Right click, connect data, and the name. We want the names to be here, so we click on names. Okay, so you can see both have been connected. The next thing to do is choose continue, and Canva will do everything for you just to confirm. If everything looks good from here, you can just click on the create 13 designs, and we can see how Canva has done everything in a second. So we click on view design, and everything has been created for us. Okay, so it's done all the changes for us. So now all we simply need to do is to do the simple things, which is arranging the text on the page properly. Okay. So for something like this, we'll just have to come here and reduce this. Okay. Then we can just copy the style, come here and paste it here and just move this up. I can copy the style, come here. Okay. So I can just come here and just arrange things nicely over here. So we can come to this and which is the line spacing. So this is the only thing we just need to do when it comes to that. But the main work, which has to do with manually going through and editing every single text, has been done for us. And this is one of the easiest ways you can create multiple designs inside of Canva. So if you're a teacher, if you're an admin, HR, it is one of the features you can use. If you have to create multiple designs, but changing certain elements of the design to customize it for maybe for anything at all, if it has to do with names, if it has to do with like positions, emails, this is the feature in Canva you can actually use. And I hope you actually find it helpful. So yes, let me know what you think about this feature in the comment section. Kindly like this video if you found it helpful. And yes, the name is Benjamin. Check in the description box below. I have so many resources for you. If you're on the free version of Canva, there's a link for you to upgrade to Canva Pro for free. And always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in the next one. Peace.